What happens if you're charged with negligent operation in Massachusetts? I'm Michael DelSignore, Massachusetts criminal defense attorney, and today I'm going to answer that question for you. Negligent operation charge can come about in a couple of different ways. First, it can come as a companion charge to an OUI offense. In that case, the negligent operation is really not the lead charge. The lead charge is the OUI offense, and the negligent operation may get dismissed if you resolve the case, and it actually could benefit you that you were charged with that offense if there's an OUI offense, because a lot of times a jury will split the verdict and find you not guilty of the OUI and guilty of the negligent operation. But in today's video I want to talk about what happens if negligent operation is just a standalone charge, if that's the only charge. What happens if you're in a car accident and you're charged with negligent operation? In most cases you'll receive a summons to appear at a clerk magistrate hearing. You'll get a citation from the officer, and if you mail that in, you'll get what they call a clerk magistrate hearing. That's a chance to prevent the case from actually going into court. When you're at a clerk magistrate hearing, there's no criminal charges issued against you at that time. So in many cases, you can work these out with the clerk. If the other side has been paid, if you have a good driving record, the clerk may consider some resolution short of formally issuing the complaint. In some cases, a person may have to take certain driving courses in order to address the negligent driving in the case. If the complaint issues on a negligent operation case after a magistrate hearing, it would then go to court, and a negligent operation charge is typically something you'd resolve short of trial. So if you're charged with negligent operation, in many cases you've never been arrested or been in court before, feel free to call me. I'll be happy to explain the process with you, but it is something that often can get worked out. Negligent operation is very easy to get charged with because almost any of our incorrect or improper driving on the road could theoretically be negligent operation. Negligent operation is just you're not driving as safely as you should have been. So if you're charged with this offense, call and I can explain the process, and in many cases we can prevent the case from even going into court and being put on your record, and if it's more serious, the complaint's issued, a lot of these cases can be worked out short of any trial in the case. My name is Michael DelSignore, happy to answer any of your questions about negligent operation.